And welcome back to Tech Time with Theo. I'm starting the series back up again because I put a post up recently saying, would you like to see Tech Time with Theo return? Here we are. We have returned to Tech Time. So, this one's not going to be a fixer. We're not going to fix anything. We're not going to break anything. But we're going to find the elusive Xbox original controller right here. It is the Nyko Airflow fan-cooled wire controller for the OG Xbox. Now, back when I was in middle school, I've always wanted one of these controllers because I used to be playing with it. And this controller has built-in fans for your palms. Yeah, you heard me right. For your palms. Mind-blowing innovations back in the 2000s. Am I right? Am I wrong? But we're on the hunt to find the controller. And spoiler alert, I already found one for a good price. That's good condition. These are still usable. Most of these controllers are either broken, nasty, or these horrible thumbsticks. That's the word, thumbsticks. But I already found one, and boy, it looks sleek. It's not the one that I had back in middle school. In middle school, we had this game room, and it had an original Xbox in there. And I remember the kid handing me control, and I'm like, oh! Crazy, mind-blowing innovations back in 2000, like I said. But let me switch over, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, we are back. I'm sorry, I just recorded this whole section without realizing my OBS was paused. Dumbass me. But this is the controller. It's a Nyko Airflow controller, Xbox, original Xbox. Blow up the image.
Did somebody say boom?
Look how cool this thing looks. Yeah, it's a little bit messy. But the key thing is with these controllers is the thumbsticks are still good, which that one looks good and that one looks good. And the buttons look a little crusty, but I can clean that up. But as you see in this photo, yeah, those are fucking ventilations for your palms of your hand. How crazy is that? So, I'm going to be ordering this controller. We're going to unbox it. And we'll film all this. And I'm going to be building a new retro station right here. This shelf, this empty shelf right here. Wait, hold on. Boop, 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 boop. Right around there. I'm going to put some Xbox, original Xbox. I'm going to try to find original PS2. Those are harder to come by and somewhat expensive. I already have original Xbox. Pretty cool. Checkout time. And let's see if this fucks up or not again. PayPal. What is... Okay. Let's go! Thinking. Order confirmed. Yahoo! So, I just ordered a controller that I've always wanted. I had this not the same exact one. I had this one. This thing was mind-blowing. Now, this is the Big Duke version, I believe. It's much bigger, as you see, than this tiny one. But this one's a little bit not the greatest condition. Here. And this is basically shit. This is the EX, the bigger version. Which I don't mind not getting, but that might be the next goal for another Tech Time with you, finding the PS2 version of these controllers. There's a PC, PS2, and I believe, of course, it's an Xbox version of these controllers. They weren't really made a lot. That's why they're cheap and they break easily. I tried to get one before and it really didn't work. So, yeah. But I bought my own controller for the station. As you see on the bottom, it did make a GameCube one. Forgot about that one. GameCube. GameStop made one? No. It's normal. Hold on to your underwear type controller. And as you see, the stick is fucking gone. Who'd want to buy that? Well, maybe restore this thing. I don't know. But, yeah. I'll see you guys in the footage when I unbox this controller. I'll see you guys soon. Okay, I had to start recording this. Look what I found. There's a website called Wayback Machine. And if you put a certain URL into the machine, it will pull all the cached websites in the past. And this is one of the PDFs that they had for the EX version, the bigger one, the one that was this one. This is the one you see right here. This is the original. Holy shit! Oh my god! Like, I'm blown away. Like, I'm blown. I am blown away. Like, I keep backing up the microphones when I peek it, whatever. I'll leave I can't leave links, so hold on. Like, I'm excited. We're reading stuff in the past. Oh my god, this is what a website looked like in the past, folks. What it looks like in the fucking past. As you see, I'm ecstatic right now, because it's just mind-blowing. We have the technology to pull a website from the past, not the future, but past. Even crazier. E3. Oh my fucking god. So I'm having way too much fun right now. I'm having way too much fun. One or two. Okay, where is it? Okay. And where's the other one? Come on, baby. Give it to me. Come on! Oh. What rare franchise interests you most? Perfect Dark Zero, Camino, Conquest. What the fuck is this shit I'm finding? Folks, if you love these Tech Time with Theos, hit that subscribe button and hit that like button and hit that bell to be notified when we do more crazy shit with this series. Oh my god. I don't keep saying oh my god, but it's like, oh my god, Becky. Look at that site. Oh my god. I need to make sure I took my drugs today. I don't think I did. Whee! Sorry, it's just James Bond and 5 review. I'm about to pass out. I don't know what to say. I don't. This is Nyko's old reviews for Nyko. Time, wow. I mean, it was $24. I'm $30 back then. And I bought it for $23. What the fuck? I'm getting way too excited. Oh my god. Star Wars Knights of the Old Republic, Sea Dogs, Brute Force, UFC Tap Out 2. What the fuck? Calm down. Calm down. Everything's gonna be A-okay. But, oh my god. Microsoft released a new controller called the S. Yeah, the tinier version of the original Xbox controller. I don't remember what it's called, but see, look at all this shit. There was a PlayStation 2 one. $4.99. Sold out, coming soon. It's already gone, folks. Bye-bye! Vertical Tower for PlayStation 2. I was trying to get more info about it, to be completely honest. Just trying to get more info about it. This is just crazy. I'm going to go on. Don't mind me. I'm just going to go on my field. So, stay tuned. I'll see you when we unbox this controller. So, the package has arrived. The controller has arrived. As you see, hi myself. I'm doing 2 cameras at once. I've already ripped off the label, so you can't see where I'm from. So let's continue unwrapping this box. Okay. We're gonna packaged it beautifully. Okay. Don't need that. And don't need that. Is there any more? Yeah, there was more. Of course there's more. Hold on. I'm just gonna do it there like that. There's some shit. Huh. Gotta use what you have, folks. Gotta use what you have. So there, it's bending. Screw. Really? It just paused my OBS recording. I mean, stopped it. Get that away. Start my OBS up again. Where my mouse is. Start recording. Okay, let's get back to it. Now don't hit the pause button again, box. I know you want to hit it, but don't hit it. I know you want to, but don't. Sorry, I thought my phone was vibrating. Here we go, guys. Okay, I'm gonna take this out. Yeah, shows my dress. Not show that, shall we? Wow. I'm gonna get some good feedback. This is pretty good packaging. Hold on, let me get my camera. This right here is quality packaging. So I know I bought it from a good seller. The package is something like this. Okay. Oh, sorry, microphone. Oh. Well, that's a good. We got the mic. We have the controller in a Ziploc baggie. Looks pretty clean from the outside. Hold on. Hold on. Smells old. Okay, let's do that. I don't need another breakaway cable because I have enough already. That's pretty good. Most breakaway cables kind of look dingy, but this one looks pretty good. Yeah. So let me just do this. I'm trying not to run over any of this stuff. So, wow. That's all I have to say is wow. That's good. Ooh! Let's see if we can pick this up. That's a good click. Kind of surprised. I'm definitely going to give this seller feedback. Fuck, I forgot to turn on the purple light, but that's okay. He said 10 feet cord. I mean, that would make sense, because, okay, a little dusty. That's still, I need a microcloth. I'm not going to use my shirt, but that'd be. All buttons work nice. Everything's working beautifully. Nice green pair, I would. I mean, besides being dusty and have a scratch on the back, scratch. Nope, it's just a little dusty. Oh. The fan looks in great condition. Let me plug this in and let's get this party started. I'm excited. It's all plugged in, and let me make sure I'm on the right input on my Switch. I have Halo Combat Edition installed in there. I hear it. I hear it. The frame might be looked at, but besides the point, it's pretty good. Let's switch over. Let's turn it on. Little rattling, which is okay. Let's turn up a notch. Wow, that. I don't know if you can hear that. This is beautiful. Let's play campaign. I guess normal. So this is comfortable. Take this motherfucker! There's rumble. That's good. Shit. Yeah, this thing might need cleaning. Besides that, it looks beautiful. I mean, it's a little... It's very, it works. It rattles. I might have to tighten, I might have to, open it up, check it, clean it, all that. Besides that, it's beautiful. Let's turn it off. Let's see if there's any... Okay, the rumble works. Got no grenades. Shit. No ammo. Oh, fuck. Flashlight works. I'm probably going to use it as a collection piece and I'll bring it out just to show people. I can tell the rumbling in this is used. Hold on, let's get a better angle. This fucker. Bam. Take time with Theo, motherfucker! So while Theo is having fun blowing up the Covenant in Halo, I'm going to be talking to you about some specs of this controller and a little bit about the company. So let's get into it. Nyko was founded back in 1995 and was headquarters out of Los Angeles. They make accessories for most of the major entertainment systems, including PS2, Xbox, Nintendo GameCube, Game Boy, and Game Boy Advance. These include such notable products as the Warm Light, great thing, maybe comment down below if you want me to try to find one of those. Pretty cool. Warm Light Plus, UFO Light for the Game Boy Advance, and subjects of today's reviews, the Nyko Airflow game controller. Now, this controller has multi-speed fan for customized ventilation, patented airflow technology, ends sweaty hands, and allows for comfortable gameplay. Rubberized grips for added comfort and control. Responsive dual analog control sticks, which I experienced are pretty good, and an 8-way D-pad, pretty cool. Built-in variable vibration function. Pressure-sensitive analog buttons, very pressure-sensitive, I did feel that. Dual expansion slots for memory cards and accessories, triggered shaped analog shoulder button. Now this controller came in for about, if I'm not wrong, this paper doesn't say it, but it came in for about like $29 when it was brand new. And mind you, this article I'm reading right now is pretty old. I do not have a date on it, but yeah, $29.99 for this controller was when it first came out. So Theo's now done playing the game. Let's get back to it. If you like this Tech Time with Theo, leave a like. If you want to see more, subscribe and stay tuned for more because there's more coming since I got the Xbox running. Kind of see at the top that little green dot. That one is the Xbox. So if you enjoy this video, leave a like, see more, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next Tech Time with Theo unboxing Halo 2 Collector's Edition. Ooh. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye!